Welcome to this Math Booster video. Today's topic is a problem that involves backwards probability. What do I mean by backwards probability? Let's take a look at this problem and hopefully that will make sense. A jar contains only green and red marbles. If the jar has 40 green marbles and the probability of drawing a green marble is 5/8 or 5 out of 8, how many total marbles must be in the jar? So yes, this is a probability problem, but in this case, we are given the probability. In this case, we are given the probability of finding a green marble. Therefore, it's a little bit backwards from what we normally do. In this case, we want to find out how many marbles must be in the jar if there are 40 green marbles in order to make this probability true. The best way to approach this problem, I think, is to set up a proportion. Let's talk about what our probability says. It says that 5 out of 8 marbles must be green. But this is a reduced fraction. That means we can set it equal to another fraction or another ratio. That is the ratio of green marbles in the jar to total marbles in the jar. Green to total. And we know that there are 40 green. We do not know the total. So there, we've now set up our proportion and we can go ahead and solve for x. We cross multiply as we always do with proportions when we have a missing value. 5 times x is going to be equal to 8 times 40. Then we simplify the right side. 8 times 40 is 320. And finally, we divide both sides by what x is being multiplied by. On the left side, those 5's cancel. And on the right side, we are going to divide 320 by 5. X is equal to 320 divided by 5, which is equal to 64. Answer D for this question, 64. So the key takeaway in this problem is to remember that you can use a proportion to solve this kind of problem where you are being asked to find the total marbles that will make an equivalent ratio. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you feel better prepared to handle a problem like this that involves backwards probability.